Excuse me, where can I find the men's clothing section? Excuse me, where can I find the men's clothing section? Do you have this shirt in a smaller size? Do you have this shirt in a smaller size? How much does this dress cost? How much does this dress cost? Can I try on these shoes, please? Can I try on these shoes, please? Where are the fitting rooms located? Where are the fitting rooms located? Do you have any discounts or sales going on? Do you have any discounts or sales going on? What time does the mall close tonight? What time does the mall close tonight? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Can I get this gift wrapped? Can I get this gift wrapped? Is there a restroom nearby? Is there a restroom nearby? Are there any electronics stores in this mall? Are there any electronics stores in this mall? Could you show me where the escalators are? Could you show me where the escalators are? Do you have any recommendations for a good restaurant in the mall? Do you have any recommendations for a good restaurant in the mall? Can I get a refund for this item? Can I get a refund for this item? Where can I find the nearest ATM? Where can I find the nearest ATM? Do you have any vegan options in your food court? Do you have any vegan options in your food court? What's the return policy for this store? What's the return policy for this store? Could you help me find a present for my friend? Could you help me find a present for my friend? Are there any sales associates available to assist me? Are there any sales associates available to assist me? Is there a lost and found office in the mall? Is there a lost and found office in the mall? How do I get to the parking lot from here? How do I get to the parking lot from here? Are there any bookstores in this mall? Are there any bookstores in this mall? Can I exchange this item for a different color? Can I exchange this item for a different color? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest exit is? Could you tell me where the nearest ex Do you have any recommendations for kid-friendly stores? Do you have any recommendations for kid-friendly stores? Is there a customer service desk I can speak to? Is there a customer service desk I can speak to? Can I order this item online and pick it up in store? Can I order this item online and pick it up in store? Do you offer free Wi-Fi in the mall? Do you offer free Wi-Fi in the mall? Can I get a refund in cash? Can I get a refund in cash? Where can I find the nearest taxi stand? Where can I find the nearest taxi stand? Do you have any allergy information for your food items? Do you have any allergy information for your food items? Can I use this coupon for my purchase? Can I use this coupon for my purchase? What time does the mall open tomorrow? What time does the mall open tomorrow? Are there any rest areas where I can sit down? Are there any rest areas where I can sit down? Do you sell international SIM cards? Do you sell international SIM cards? Can I pay with Apple Pay or Google Pay? Can I pay with Apple Pay or Google Pay? Is there a place where I can charge my phone? Is there a place where I can charge my phone? Could you recommend a good spot for dessert? Could you recommend a good spot for dessert? Are there any outlets in this mall? Are there any outlets in this mall? Can I speak to a manager, please? Can I speak to a manager, please? Do you have any gluten-free options? Do you have any gluten-free options? Are there any promotions for frequent shoppers? Are there any promotions for frequent shoppers? Can I get this item gift wrapped for free? Can I get this item gift wrapped for free? How do I sign up for your loyalty program? How do I sign up for your loyalty program? Are there any security guards in the mall? Are there any security guards in the mall? Do you have a map of the mall? Do you have a map of the mall? Is there a cinema in this mall? Is there a cinema in this mall? Can I get a student discount? Can I get a student discount? Do you have public transportation information? Do you have public transportation information? Can I reserve this item and pay for it later? Can I reserve this item and pay for it later? Are there any restrictions on returns or exchanges? Are there any restrictions on returns or exchanges? Can I bring my pet into the mall? Can I bring my pet into the mall? Do you have a lost child procedure? Do you have a lost child procedure? Can I try on these sunglasses? Can I try on these sunglasses? Are there any parking validations available? Are there any parking validations available? Do you have any special offers for today? Do you have any special offers for today? Can I get this item engraved? Can I get this item engraved? Where can I find the nearest restroom for disabled people? Where can I find the nearest restroom for disabled people? Do you have any eco-friendly products? Do you have any eco-friendly products? Can I bring my own shopping bag? Can I bring my own shopping bag? Are there any ATM fees in the mall? Are there any ATM fees in the mall? Do you have any baby changing facilities? Do you have any baby changing facilities? Can I return this item without the receipt? Can I return this item without the receipt? Are there any toy stores nearby? Are there any toy stores nearby? Can I reserve a table at your restaurant? Can I reserve a table at your restaurant? Do you have any vegetarian options? Do you have any vegetarian options? Can I buy a mall gift card? Can I buy a mall gift card? Where can I find a good place to grab a quick snack? Where can I find a good place to grab a quick snack? Do you have any sales on electronics? Do you have any sales on electronics? Can I get this item repaired here? Can I get this item repaired here? Are there any lockers available for rent? Are there any lockers available for rent? Do you offer a price match guarantee? Do you offer a price match guarantee? Can I order food to go? Can I order food to go? Where can I find a phone charger? Where can I find a phone charger? Are there any travel agencies in the mall? Are there any travel agencies in the mall? Can I return this item if I change my mind? Can I return this item if I change my mind? Do you have any fashion accessories? Do you have any fashion accessories? Can I get this item monogrammed? Can I get this item monogrammed? Are there any cafes with outdoor seating? Are there any cafes with outdoor seating? Can I get this item delivered to my home? Can I get this item delivered to my home? Do you have any pet-friendly stores? Do you have any pet-friendly stores? Can I get a rain check for this item? Can I get a rain check for this item? Are there any car rental services in the mall? Are there any car rental services in the mall? Do you offer alterations for clothing? Do you offer alterations for clothing? Can I get a discount if I buy in bulk? Can I get a discount if I buy in bulk? Are there any organic food options? Are there any organic food options? Can I schedule a personal shopping appointment? Can I schedule a personal shopping appointment? Do you have any party supplies? Do you have any party supplies? Can I return this item if it's damaged? Can I return this item if it's damaged? Are there any beauty salons in the mall? Are there any beauty salons in the mall? Can I get this item customized? Can I get this item customized? Do you have any fragrance samples? Do you have any fragrance samples? Can I order food from multiple restaurants and have it delivered together? Can I order food from multiple restaurants and have it delivered together? Are there any music stores nearby? Are there any music stores nearby? Can I get this item shipped internationally? Can I get this item shipped internationally? Do you have any tech gadgets? Do you have any tech gadgets? Can I get this item gift wrapped with a specific theme? Can I get this item gift wrapped with a specific theme? Are there any job vacancies in the mall? Are there any job vacancies in the mall? Can I get this item engraved with a personal message? Can I get this item engraved with a personal message?